Hey everybody, hey. Welcome to Whipping It Up with Cherie. How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing okay. I'm doing okay. I am ready to get started with this dish today. I'm finally making my chicken and veggie casserole. Like everybody and their mama have made some sort of chicken and veggie or chicken and broccoli or chicken and something casserole, okay? So today I'm finally making my version, and I've made it many ways. So tonight I'm going to show you how I'm making this. I'm going to start off with some olive oil in the pan, and we're going to get it cracking. Let me know in the comments if y'all have made this kind of recipe. My skillet is already hot. I have some chicken breasts I already cut up into quarters. We'll go ahead and this I'm going in with some salt, because you got to have some salt for this dish. And I'm not using much. This is probably a tablespoon of salt. I'll add more if I need it. Also, I'm adding in some chili powder. I'm also going in with some curry powder. I love curry powder. Sometimes when I make chicken. Black pepper. Y'all, I like for mine to be seasoned really well, because I have so much stuff going into my casserole. I gotta make sure that it's seasoned. This is my house seasoning, which is garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. That's that on that. I have some everything but the salt seasoning. I have some red pepper flakes going in. This chicken breast that I'm using, I found it at one of my local grocery stores called Aldi. This is cage-free organic chicken breast. It's normally a bit pricey, but I found it on sale today. So when I bought 5 packs of it, and each pack had about 3 chicken breasts. So that's why this is a lot of chicken. I like a lot of chicken in my casserole. So I put the lid on it because I wanted it to steam a little bit. And you see that water? Flavor. I want that because that's gonna all of this is going into my dish. I'm gonna pour off some of it, but y'all, that curry, if you've never used that curry powder on your chicken, man, what? You missing it. So I wanted to get the chicken all the way done before it goes into the pan that I'm gonna cook it in, because you never want to put your chicken in there raw, because it would never get done when you're doing a casserole. See, everything is gonna be done in the casserole when we put it in the oven. So it won't be in the oven that long, but I'm going to pour some of this broth off that has made from the chicken, and I'm going to bring y'all back and show you what we're going to do. Okay, I'm back. I have drained my chicken and kept some of the broth from it. Now I'm going in with some diced up mushrooms. I told y'all this is going to have some veggies in it. I'm going in with some onions. That is 1 whole onion, because I'm making so much. So I'm going to saute this. And I got a little bowl over here from what I made the other night. And this has some cherry tomatoes in it. This is just some spinach. And I got a whole bag of spinach, what I'm going to put in. Or what's left, it's actually a half a bag. So I'm going to Alright, so y'all see all that spinach that I had put in there has cooked down. So I know sometimes a lot of people, you know, you can put spinach in your dish and you be like, dang, that's a lot. But no, you got to let it cook down. And then you'll see that it really is exactly what you need, or you probably need some more, depending on how big your dish is. So, y'all, this dish, as I was saying, I love vegetables. You're going to see some tomatoes, some mushrooms, some onion, spinach, and we're not done. I got some more vegetables. So I drained off took out my mushrooms and spinach mixture. I'm going in with my, I'm finna start making the sauce for the casserole. So I like to mix cream of mushroom. So they didn't have any of the big cans, so I had to get little cans today. So 4 cans, which is 2 small cream of mushroom and 2 small cream of chicken. And here's the second small can of cream of chicken. And I bought the low sodium cans of soup. I try to use as less salt as possible. A half cup of milk, and I want to eyeball it because I don't want it too loose. I'm gonna get rid of the spatula, and I'm gonna bring in my whisk. All right, I'm gonna get this in. I'm gonna put the other half of the milk. Like I said, this is totaling probably about a cup of milk, because you know you don't want it to be like plaster. You want it to be kind of loose, so your casserole is not just like a brick. I'm going in with a pack of Velveeta cheese sauce. This is the jalapeno kind. So I'm going to squeeze that in there. I got 2 packs. I just got to see what it's going to look like. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this casserole is going to have so much flavor. You got to season your soup. Anytime you have soup, I'm going in with parsley. I'm going to finish that up because that's empty. Pepper. I don't like bland soup. So just because in a can, they don't really put nothing in it. They put some sodium, you know. But I like to put some seasoning in when I open up a can of soup. This is my house seasoning, garlic, onion, paprika. I'm going to get this mixed in, and then we're going to start building our casserole in the pan, okay? Okay, we are about to start building our casserole. I have all my ingredients here. So first going in is my egg noodles. You can use whatever starch you want to use. I got the pasta in, and I can tell y'all right now, I will be mixing this up with some gloves on because I'm not going to wear my arm out with no spoon. Because this is a lot. This is 36 ounces of egg noodles. This is the veggies, which is the spinach and the mushrooms going in. All right, the spinach and mushrooms is in. Now here comes the chicken. That is a lot of chicken. All right, now going in is our luscious soup mix. All right, I'm gonna pour that all over that. Oh my gosh, yes, yes, yes. All right, I got the soup mix, the sauce over it. Now I'm going in with some peas. Yes, I am. I told y'all this had a lot of vegetables in it. So now I got my gloves on, and I'm gonna go in and mix this. Oh my goodness, y'all, it's gonna be so good. So I'll bring y'all back when it's all mixed in because we're almost done. All right. Y'all remember that broth that we had from our chicken with the seasonings and the curry seasoning? This is what I reserved because I don't want my casserole dry. I want it to be creamy. And with all of this is going to be the perfect sauce. Okay, so I got everything mixed in. I'm going in with my next layer, which y'all, I promise we almost done. So I'm going in with some American cheddar, some cheddar cheese and pepper jack cheese. Just a little bit of pepper jack that I had left. You can't have a casserole without no cheese on it. Come on. Y'all, don't laugh at me, but you gotta try this. So you know how you put crackers on top of your casserole, or either some crumbs, some croutons, crushed up croutons or something? I'm going in with some goldfish, and this is just not the regular goldfish. This is the extra cheddar goldfish. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle some of those on there. I've already went in and I've crushed them up. Y'all, if you ain't never tried this, you got to try the goldfish as your crumb topping. All right, y'all, I got all the crackers on. It looks so good. And the last thing is some melted butter. You got to have melted butter all over your crackers. You have to. Y'all, I'm so excited for this casserole. I know the people who I'm giving some to is excited. Oh my gosh. Alright, so that's that, y'all. This is going to go into the oven. I'm going to start off with 35 minutes because here's the thing. Everything is already done. Okay, what we're trying to do is get it bubbly from the cheese. And yeah, I'll bring y'all back when it's... Alright, our casserole is done. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm shaking. No, I'm not shaking. I'm just excited. Like, the real thick girl in me just came out. So, y'all, it's going to be crunchy. The cheese has melted. You can hear it. I'm going to sample it so y'all can see that it's done. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, it's simple. Okay, I got me a little bowl right here. And let me go on and get my whole corner. Yep, I want my whole corner. Let me push this out the way. It's gonna be so good, y'all. Let's see what we're working with. Y'all, the seasonings, that curry powder. Y'all gotta try this. make it exactly like I did, y'all gonna be acting crazy like this too. Let me get some crunch up here. I should have put some more toppings on it. Took from somebody else's portion. Y'all, this is so good. It's the right amount of moisture. It ain't tight. Mmm. Mmm. Thank y'all for hanging with me tonight. You can leave me a comment if you try it. Send me an email. I hope you and your family have a good night, a good day, a good afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. Please try this recipe. Until the next video, I love y'all. See y'all next time. Bye.